Hi, thank you for purchasing our HRM software. So if you want to uh, serve your software in localhost, so at first you need to download the XAMPP, and it's simply write on XAMPP, and you can find the first link in here. Just click on this and you can simply download in here from this for the Windows, the Linux and OS. So mine is the Windows, so simply click on this and it will be downloading option. So I have already downloaded this software, so it's called the XAMPP. So when you are installing the XAMPP, then you need to click on the control panel, and by default it will be showing the star, so you need to click on star and star, and when it's start then click on this admin, and this is called the php admin, that's mean the database in here. So when you are downloading your software, and you will get a file something like that, hrm, and you will get the two things. So just copy this, and you need to go the local disk, I mean the zip file. So you need to go the XAMPP in here, XAMPP, and then you need to go the htdocs, click on this and make a folder. So I have already make a folder and it's called hrm, and then simply paste in here. Okay, so I have already pasted in here. So go to the sql, this is the database. Okay, so you need to go in here and create a new and make a new database. I have write down in here hrm, simply just hrm and create. So I have a database name, it's called the hrm, and in the sql file you need to just drag sorry, you need to drag in here and just drop. Okay, so when your file is uploading properly, you will get a tick mark and click on this. Yes, all the table has migrated. So now you will again go back in here and see the script file, and all the things is ready. So just click on the env file and open it, and you will found these things. So you need to change the database name, and simply username will be root and password will be blank. So I have created a database and it's called hrm. So I just rename this hrm and control s, or you can save this from here. So when is that all the things is done, then you need to go back and see this. When I click on this, see this hrm slash script. Okay, fine. So you need to go to a browser again and write here localhost, localhost slash you make a file, it's called the hrm, then slash and the script script slash public public. If you click on this, and boom, this is installed. And you need to give the credential admin@gmail.com for the admin login, 128 password, and then simply log in. And if all the things is good, then you will get the software and you can use this offline. Thank you.